How to follow people on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. With that, you'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Discover. If you want to follow any of the creator, what you can do is firstly open up the game. Then scroll down. You'll find the option of Developer. Click on it. With that, you'll find the creator. Click on these three dots. Click on the option of Follow. This way you can easily follow any of the creator. Likewise, if you want to follow any of the random people, what you can do is at the top you'll see the search icon, click on it. Now over here you can type in the username of the person that you want to follow. Here towards the profile of that person. Then click on the option of view full profile. Click on three dots. Click on follow. So this way you can easily follow people on Roblox. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.